Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. What is the total energy and what are the different types? So total energy is when you add up all the different types of energy, and the types are kinetic, potential, and internal. The explanation is pretty much the same, except they make the assumption that when magnetic, electrical, and surface tension are not present, that's when you can have these energies add together. Okay, so before you leave, I highly recommend that you save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things just happen. You can do this by using snipping tool. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not there, go into your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open the program. Once it's open, click on video option, then click on new. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. Then hit the start button in the snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Then hit the red square in the snipping tool to stop recording, then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends, because this is a made-up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, leave it in the comments section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.